Welcome back, everybody. I've got a quick little video on how to make dulce de leche in the Instant Pot. You need to get the canned sweetened condensed milk. I'm using 2 cans in this video. You want to take the label off of the can, put it in the Instant Pot on top of the trivet, and then you're going to fill the Instant Pot with water 3/4 of the way up the sides of the can. So you see I'm pouring several cups into here. Just make sure that it goes 3/4 of the way up the side of the can. Doesn't have to completely be submerged or covering. And then you're going to close the Instant Pot and put this on high pressure cook for 40 minutes. Do a natural pressure release after cooking. Let it cool down a little bit. I use the tongs to get the cans out. After you cook it, remove the cans and cool. Open the can and voila, you've got dulce de leche. It's delicious by itself, by the spoon, or on ice cream, or in recipes, cheesecakes, cakes for icing. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Come back and see me soon.